Good morning, everyone. It's Susan at Escapes. I am at Dream Sapphire, so follow along and let's see what we see. We are checking into room 515, a junior suite tropical view with 2 beds. And they are double-size beds. There's a clock, plug-ins for your devices, pin lights. Beds look comfortable. Sofa, table, and a view of the tropical plants. Safe, housecoats and slippers. Vanity with a sink and a lit makeup mirror, toilet, and a shower. Well-stocked mini fridge. More space and an area to put your suitcase on. The TV. It's lovely. If you're wanting a quick breakfast, you can come to the Preferred Lounge if you have a room that is entitled Preferred Club. Avocado toast. This is a club for little kids. Adult only pool. oatmeal and hot chocolate. Ooh, these look good. Yummy, yummy. Mexican station. Omelet station. Sausages, they're just bringing out some bacon. Hash brown potatoes, zucchini, boiled eggs. Little pancakes. Cinnamon toast, I had some of that too, it was good. Soy milk, lactose intolerant, almond, fresh juices. Cottage cheese, fresh sliced fruit, muesli, orange jelly, salmon prosciutto, avocado, gluten-free bread, fixings for a salad. World Cafe is where they have buffet service. This is the main lobby and the lobby bar called Rendezvous. You're seeing construction in the background because they're adding on to this resort.
Uno, dos, tres. Thank you. Oh, this is the local terminal with the chicken baby stuff and the chicken with the franzo. That's not gonna help. Yeah.
This is the preferred lounge. So when you're booking a room that has preferred in the name, you have access to this lounge. So if you feel like having a little tidbit, if you've arrived later in the day in the preferred club, you can help yourself. I see Belvedere. There's a market here, so you can buy vanilla, jewelry, bags, all kinds of things. This is barbecue night. Ooh, now that looks good. Short rib sausages, chicken nuggets, mini burgers, salad. Looks delicious. This is the front lobby. Hey everyone, it's Susan at Escapes. Thanks for following along on Dreams Sapphire Tour. This resort is a great family resort. Good if you have younger children. There's a water park. If you're planning a destination wedding, oh my goodness, the locations are sensational and so picturesque. You would love it. The pool is massive and the food is great. So if you're planning a getaway to Mexico, think about Dreams Sapphire. See ya.